Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with essentials. Confirm AirPods are charged and your PC has Bluetooth enabled. Open Windows Settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. Put AirPods in pairing mode by opening the case and holding the rear button until the LED flashes white. Once it flashes, click Add Bluetooth device on your PC and choose Bluetooth. This initiates the connection. Make sure to accept any prompts and wait until Windows reports the AirPods are connected as a headset and headphone. Once connected, you must select the AirPods microphone in Windows. Open Sound Settings or Control Panel Sound and switch to the Recording tab. Find the AirPods entry labeled Hands-Free AG Audio or similar. Right-click and set as Default Device and Default Communication Device. Then open Properties, go to Levels, adjust microphone volume and boost as needed, and use the Listen or Test feature to verify input. Make sure apps are allowed to access the microphone in privacy settings, so programs can use the Finish by selecting the AirPods mic inside the specific app you plan to use, because some apps override system defaults. If it doesn't appear, restart the app. If audio quality is poor, understand why. Hands-free profile prioritizes mic and reduces playback quality, so choose stereo for output only and hands-free for calls. If things go wrong, repair the AirPods, update your Bluetooth drivers, and toggle the hands-free profile off and on. These steps resolve most issues quickly and restore reliable mic function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.